here is the chart of the S&P 500. So what I left in there was my analysis for the for last week. This is the cycle that we were looking at right in here. And my opinion was, as you could see over here, that it would get to these resistance levels, or just over the 2360 area, and then roll over, but not go that far, and then set up a better period over here. That's really what I was looking for. Well, then you had this big upward gap on Monday and another upward gap on Tuesday, and that, of course, set up way different levels. Now, with the levels different, it doesn't change the cycle pattern that we expect in here. And you can see that gravestone doji that kind of set up the high right there, as we talked about in the beginning of the show, as we peaked on Wednesday after the announcement of the tax plan. And these last few days have just been moving sideways, and now Friday a little bit lower. So what we're expecting in the next coming week is really a small down week. You might try to get some rallies in here, but we're thinking it's going to get down into this support level right there. Test 2373 to 2363. That's that support zone. Then the following week, or this might be into Thursday, Friday, and then turning up like that towards the end of the week, this time period here is going to tell us a lot. That's this right over here, because I think that we're forming a major top and looking at the big correction I was talking about, and become a level 1 member, and you can see that video. And you can, this rally over here, if you understand, if you're really in tune at all with our style of analysis, we'll learn a lot if this is the pattern. As if this rally doesn't get very far and fails, and then whatever low this is on the correction gets taken out, that will set the top. That would be right there. I drew an M top if it formed that way. But this is the reason we expect some sluggishness in the coming week, and giving up, but not giving up a lot, and then turning up again. So we're just going to call the coming week a small down week based on the way this pattern sets up for the stock market. We're seeing a lot of weakness, down 1% in the Russell today, so that looks like, you know, some bigger corrective forces coming in the market. And we're going to say it's been slow basically for the whole week based after that move on Monday. Of course, we have the FOMC announcement coming out on Wednesday. That could give us some pretty good moves, and then the employment numbers coming out on Friday. So overall, we're going to call a slow down week for the stock market. I hope you found a lot of that very interesting. Please do send me that email to slim@askSlim.com for our half price special. And the level 3, want to be a free subscriber, become a level 1 member, take a look at our free videos that we're offering on there, and lots of stuff for you. All we want to do is make your trading more successful. I've been at this 43 years. It's my turn to share it all with you, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, I'm going to